Hello everyone. Today we are going to cook a palm nut soup, but I have to boil the goat meat first. So let's begin. I hope everybody is okay. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Okay, I have onions here, dry basil, ginger, garlic, Maggi and salt. Okay, going to mix this and add a little bit of water. Then I'll put it on fire. Okay. Then to mix all the salt, the ginger, onions, everything. You'll be needing water later on. First, let this one boil with it well before I'll add another water. My goat meat is ready. I'm going to start cooking the palm nut soup. Yeah, let me show you the ingredients I have. I have the palm nut paste, onions, mackerel fish, Maggi, tomato paste, pepper, salt, and okra. First, I'm going to start with grinding the onions and the pepper. Now I'm adding the palm nut paste in my saucepan. Now to melt it. Yeah, I'm going to add the stock. To boil with the stock. The meat is soft already for my liking, so I don't want to add the goat meat inside early. So I'll add this one to boil first before I start adding the ingredients. I'm going to add onions and pepper. I'm going to rest inside the jug and pour. Then I'll cover it to boil. I'm going to be adding a tomato paste. My mom taught me that you don't add too much tomato paste in palm nut soup. It becomes sour. So I normally add small to just thicken the soup. I will let it cook again. I'm going to add the meat, goat meat, and the okra because the fish is soft, so I will add that one last. just dicing my knife inside the okra, not cutting it, but just having a line on it with knife. And I'll add the Maggi. Let it boil before I can add, check the salt and add if you need salt. My soup is a little bit thick for fufu, so I'm going to add some small water and let it boil. In fact, let me add the fish inside straight away and let it boil. Yes, I need it a little bit. Is here? Salt is here. And I will cover it. Reduce the fire to medium. My soup is ready. This palm nuts, the brand, I never used it before. This one, the oil didn't come out a lot, but I like it like this anyway. So my soup is ready. My okra is floating. The scent of beautiful. Okay, this part one. Wait for the fufu, cassava fufu and plantain.